More breaking news this hour. The Supreme Court has just extended the temporary pause that it had put on an appeals court decision. That means for now, access to a widely used abortion pill stays the same. It's on hold. You'll remember there have been clashing court decisions over the last month. NBC News Washington correspondent Yamiche Alcindor is following all of this for us. So, Yamiche, this just happened just moments ago. We had anticipated that they might make a decision, the Supreme Court, by midnight tonight. It sounds like they're sort of kicking the can down the road and saying, we're going to just hold for a while, not deal with this just yet.
That's right, Kate. The Supreme Court was expected to act today on a request by the Biden administration to immediately block a lower court ruling that would have curtailed access to the abortion pill, Mifepristone. But we have arrived at this moment, of course, because last Friday, Justice Samuel Alito paused the ruling by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals that would have placed limitations on the medication. Now, of course, as you said, the thing that we're learning now is that they've extended that deadline. So they were supposed to have that deadline midnight today. Now it's midnight Friday. So they've bought themselves more time. That pause was expected to mean that the court was likely going to act before then, and people thought that the court was going to act before this deadline today, but now it's likely that the court might act before Friday. I want to underscore that the court has a number of options in front of it. It could side with one of the parties, it could fail to act, or it could take some other unknown path that we don't know. Of course, if the court sides with opponents of abortion rights, that would mean that the pill would likely stop being available by mail. Patients would need to obtain the pill in person and before 7 weeks of pregnancy, and the FDA's 2019 decision to approve a generic version of the pill would also likely be expended. So we're definitely going to continue to watch this, but we have a little bit more time now. I should say the Supreme Court has a little bit more time now to make that decision.
Yeah, Yamiche, we just have 30 more seconds, but it sounds like they might need that time in order to figure out, as you say, whether to intervene themselves or just kick it back to a lower court.
That's right, because, of course, we saw that 5-4 ruling when we saw the Supreme Court overturn Roe v. Wade over the summer. And now the Biden administration is hoping that they can sort of allow this approval and the restrictions that were put in place to not be put in place further on. But we'll have to continue to watch this. Of course, the Biden administration is hoping this 6-3 majority conservative court will rule in its favor. But there are a lot of people who are worried it won't go their way.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.